Hello, YouTube! We are back at home. It's been about a week or so. Okay. We're gonna run inside. They should have stock shelves, hopefully, and added a whole bunch more stuff because they keep adding every week. So let's roll inside and see what they got for us. Alright, we're walking right into the end cap, and boy, they got some stuff. I think we saw these in the last video.
Yeah.
These wooden ones, $9.99. Looks like they got these little oil slick colored jars. How much are these guys? These guys are $3.99. Doesn't want to show the price, damn phone. $3.99 for little guys. Did we see the sippy cups last time?
We didn't see this, but we did.
Yeah, these like the Martini Mixers. We saw these guys. How much are the Martini Mixers? $7.99. Alright. And they got the little sippy cups. Look at these ladies. Got little candelabras. I don't think they light up. They're 29 bucks. Spellbound. Oh, they got a little gypsy lady. Show me your wares, gypsy. Show me your wares. $29.99. She's actually pretty cool. That's a good size too. I'm here for the booze. I hate seeing that. Is this the same thing? Poison. What is these guys? $9.99. That's a little pricey for a lightweight cup. Alright, we saw the sippy cups. Let's jump down to the big end cap. I think we saw these guys last time. The tea lights. The little trees. You can see herpes glitter all over the shelf. Don't touch it. Get out of there. Alright, let's walk down to the end and see what else they got. Wow, the black candles went pretty fast. What is this? A big black cat kitty bowl? Okay, so they got a black cat kitty bowl. How much is a black cat kitty bowl? $16.99. That's actually not a bad price. That's a good sized damn bowl. A little kitty in there, and it's ceramic. Alright, herpes glitter spiders. We'll take a pass. This must be... Did we see this? I don't think we saw this in our last video. This would be like a little punch bowl or cookie bowl. Yeah. How much is this? I don't want to break this damn thing. Okay, little pumpkin. So the pumpkin is 20 bucks for the cookie jar. That's actually pretty damn cool. A little pumpkin mug. What's he? $5.99. So if you want a pair of them, you could have them together. Oh, they do got the big skull. I saw this on Steve's Haunted Yard. Check out these guys, man. They're freaking monsters. 30 bucks. And they are heavy. Looks like they got 3 of them. And they are glass. Man, that is a good size freaking pot. I mean, you could just about stuff a basketball in there. That is going to be the buy of the year, I bet. I got a bunch of goofy ornaments for 4 bucks. We'll take a pass on those. And they got the Christmas tree ornaments if you want to put them on your tree. The little pumpkin bulbs for $6.99. My favorite holiday is October. And you got some little plush witches down here. What are the little plush witches? It's like the little shelf sitters. $12.99. Alright. I think we pretty much saw this. They added some more color Funkins. $9.99 for a Funkin. I don't know about that. Looks like they got some garland. Garland's $5.99 for self-posing. Bows. What are the bows? We got the pumpkin bow, and we've got the bow with the ribbons on it. So how much is the ribbons? Give me a price. $19.99. Alright, let's jump back in now. That is a massive candy corn. Is that a candle? No, it's a sconce of some kind for 10 bucks. You must stick a tea light in there. Alright, put it back and don't break it. Otherwise, you're good with your allowance money. Okay, looks like they added some ghosties. These are non-lighted, but 10 bucks is basically all you're getting is a piece of white see-through fabric. Alright, Savage, get out of the ghost. Other than that, this aisle is empty. So we're going to keep on creeping around and see what else we can find. Alright, looks like we're at the end cap. They've got the Halloween gauze, like I said before. $1.99 is a good deal. Little skellies are $5.99. They're hard plastic, they're not too bad. The magic sign, that guy's $6.99 for... Oh, that's metal, okay. Real thin, but that's actual metal. And they have all the little cool glass jars. $2.99. So are they all $2.99? $2.99. So it looks like they've got green, they've got purple, they've got blue, and they've got clear. Scale of dragon with the broken wing. Oh, this makes me sad. Poor bat. And then they have all the bottles. Vampire drool. How much is that vampire drool? $6.99. Does the cork come out? Yes, it does. So they're not glued in. Okay, so that's cool. You can actually put stuff in there or change the label. Unicorn horn. How much is that? $6.99. These are actually pretty cool. These poison bottles are sort of like a, man, sort of like a oil slick finish. Really cool looking. $4.99 for poison warning. Oh, okay. So the cork pops off. These guys are $5. I think that bottle is worth it, man. The purple is kind of the same thing. It's kind of a purple to bronze color. $4.99. So the bottles are really awesome this year, man. Snake tongue, I think we saw the last time, was $4.99. Unicorn horn and blue. So let's keep creeping and see what else we can find. Alright, so we jump back in. They got a little bucket of herpy glitter ornaments. Black, purple, green. $4.99. We've seen that stuff before. The flocked pumpkins again. So paper lightweight. Just a waste. And what are these guys? 9 Lives Scented Room Sachet. Okay, so these guys are $4.99. Looks like you get a 3-pack of them. What do they smell like? Can't tell with the mask on. They probably smell good. I don't know what a scented room sachet is. We got welcome fall. We don't want fall. We're here for Halloween. What are these guys? $4.99. Alright. Looks like they got some little ghosties next to the little cactus we saw. What's this little guy do? This little static ghost holding a boo that's glued down. He's $15. Oh my god. Alright. Get the blue pumpkins. Don't have too much more on this shelf. I think they added this guy. Kind of a hollow plastic skull. He's static. He's $10. Goofy spiders. I don't really like these. These are $14.99. They're not even scary. It's just a piece of like fabric on top of a ball of foam. Alright. Let's creep out and see what else we can find in this aisle. Alright, so they do got some more skeletons. They got the gold ones, which are kind of the small little 3-footers. These guys are $15. They're plastic, kind of chintzy. I guess if you're going to corpse them or do something cool with them, that'd be different. Make no bones. Okay, so they've got a crematorium sign, which is actually pretty cool. But the top is already wonky as hell, so what does the crematorium go for? And that's metal street sign. These guys are $7.99, so I'd say that's worth it. It'd be cool if you put some cool bolts in the corner if you were making a crematorium at home, but the hanger is totally janky. Looks like we've got some more of these scented room sachets? Sashays? Little cool bat pattern. And it's free. Okay. Okay, it's a 3-pack. Somebody stole one. $4.99 for the Black Widow sachets. Alright, so they got 2 different styles so far. We saw that guy last time. Oh, they brought these back. These are really cool. You put a little tea light in there. It's like a red foil black bats cemetery. These are super sharp. Come on, phone, focus. Work with me here. Anyways, these guys are $7.99, so they're $8, same as last year. What is that? The haunted house. Enter if you dare. Put that candle back in the box. Okay. So this guy's metal. Good size. I mean, he's good size sign. And he's only $4.99. So haunted house. Enter if you dare. Put that back where you got it, Savage. Yeah, these are awesome. I love these cups, man. They're just freaking beautiful. Alright, let's creep around, see if we can find anything else new here. Alright, they got this big, tall, haunted house. This guy's $25. Pretty good size. Hollow. Looks like he's got some kind of lights, so he probably takes a couple of batteries. Yeah, I'm sure the batteries I had in there are dead. But that's pretty good size. I mean, put your own light in there. Looks like something got broke off of here. So, little pumpkin. Little blue jean pumpkin. Looks like more like a pear. I think the last new thing they have, guys, are the mats. Let's take a look at these. I don't really care for these, man. They blow apart real fast. So you get a month or 2 out of them unless you're in a sheltered area. You get a sheltered front porch. These guys are $12.99. They got skeletons. Boo. I wish they wouldn't have ruined it with the boo and just put spider webs. The witch is in. I think we saw that one last year, too. That's a carryover from last year. Okay, Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Alright. Looks like they got the same ones. Happy Halloween up there. And they got one more down there. Pull it out, Savage. Show the peoples. Wow, that is a monster mat. That thing is $24.99. Okay, so this thing is freaking huge. That's the coolest one by far. Slide back in there, Savage. Alright guys, that's it for this week at home. I think I found basically all the new stuff and showed you. I'm gonna give them probably 2 weeks to come back, and hopefully shelves are loaded, and then we'll come back and check soon and see what else they got. So I'm gonna keep on virtual shopping all summer with you guys. So alright, Savage. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.